Hi everyone, today's video is about a virtual assistant job lead. This is a remote work from home job, and here you will be working as executive assistant remotely, and this is a full-time job, and here you can expect a salary of around 42,500 per month in Philippine peso, and in INR it will be equivalent to around 63,000 rupees per month. So this is a good opportunity, and the company's name is Cleardesk, and the company offers different remote job opportunities. And today's job lead is about virtual assistant, executive assistant role. Now let's check out about the company. So the company mainly hires people from Colombia, India, and the Philippines. So if you are located in these three places, you can apply for the job. Now here it has written that at Cleardesk we handle the sourcing, recruiting and management of our overseas talent as they work with our clients. Our goal is to provide exceptional service that exceeds expectations, and we take pride in our ability to match each client with the right talent to suit their unique needs. So the company is mainly into offering outsourcing talents from places like Colombia, India and the Philippines. Now let's check out about the job. So the job profile is for virtual assistant, executive assistant role, and this is a remote opportunity. And here it has written that we are looking for experienced executive assistants to perform advanced, diversified, and confidential administrative duties requiring broad and comprehensive experience, skill, and knowledge of organizational policies and practices. Now, here are some of the requirements that the company is looking for in their virtual assistants or executive assistants. Any college graduate can apply, and so the company has also asked to provide NBI clearance or police clearance upon hiring. So once you get hired, you need to provide police clearance certificate. You need to be comfortable with using HubStaff, a time tracking application. You need to be experienced in using CRMs and other relevant software. And you should have project management experience. You should have professional level English, written and verbal. And then you should have computer or laptop with access to the internet, minimum speed of 25 Mbps. Now here are some of the hardware requirements that the company has listed. So as this is a work from home remote opportunity, you should have proper internet connection as well as laptop or desktop to work and like work from home setting. So here they have asked about you should have HD webcam, a noise cancelling headset, at least 25 Mbps primary internet connection, a backup laptop, backup internet connection device, and backup power supply in case of power outage and emergencies. And then minimum recommendation for your main computer is like a i5 Intel Core or equivalent with 8 GB RAM or higher. And then minimum recommended for your backup computer should be is like a i3 Intel Core processor along with 4 GB RAM. So you must have one main computer with an i5 processor along with a backup computer. Okay. Now let's check out about the compensation and the benefits that you can expect while working as an executive assistant remotely. As I already mentioned, the company is offering per month salary of around 42,500 Philippine peso or like 62,000 or around 63,000 per month INR, and the salary will be based on your experience and the competitive hourly rate. Now this is a work from home opportunity, and you can expect getting bonuses and incentives, and then paid training. The company is offering paid training to its candidates. So once you get hired, you can expect getting training. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities. So as an executive assistant, You need to manage executive calendars, scheduling appointments, coordinating meetings, and taking minutes. And as an executive assistant, you need to screen and respond to emails, phone calls, and other correspondence on behalf of executives. And then you need to prepare, edit, and manage documents, reports, and presentations as needed. As an executive assistant, you need to make travel arrangements, including booking flights, hotels, and transportation. You need to conduct research and compile data to support executive decision making. You need to prepare reports, presentations, and other documents as needed. As an executive assistant, you need to assist with project management tasks, including tracking deadlines and milestones. You need to plan, organize, and coordinate virtual and in person events such as conferences, team meetings, and client engagements. And also, you need to assist in developing standard operating procedures. So this was it about the roles and responsibilities that one can expect while working as a virtual assistant or executive assistant remotely. If you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply. And now here you can attach your resume. You need to provide information related to your education or qualification. So here you need to provide, are you college educated? Yes or no? Then how many years did you study in college? And then your first name, last name, your phone number, email ID, and then where did you find out about this job post? And then referrer, if you have any. Are you willing to work exclusively full-time for Cleardesk? You need to provide that if you are willing to work full-time. And then are you willing to work within the US time zone, that is Eastern time zone? So you need to provide that as well. And then your country, city, and then you have to attach your resume and then NBI clearance, cover letter, and then portfolio or photo. So yeah, okay. So this was it about the application form. And I think this is a great opportunity for people looking for full-time remote jobs. And here the company has not asked for much of the experience or any particular qualifications. If you are interested, you must check out all the details and then go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.